Boys, it's been a crazy last like 12 hours. We spent like 5 hours loading up everything last night. Got everything finished this morning. We rolling out literally right this second. We out. We got 3 Banshees, 1 250 on the back. We had to hit this to fit them all. It's snug back here, but we out. We headed to DUMONT, boys. Got the 110. Boys, we did it. Oh wait, these are your gloves. You know how I know? Because I took my tags out the first day. That's one of mine. Smells like mine. It smells like me. Boys, we survived the first night in DUMONT. I didn't even pull out the camera yesterday because it was just like so much was going on. It's like 9 in the morning right now. Been up. We already made breakfast. Juan literally slept in the chair last night. I don't know why. I slept in the truck. Camp right here with all the Razor boys out here. We had a big camp. We had like a pit bike going around the fire last night. Juan's Banshee's out here surviving. Yesterday we had also some difficulties with my Banshee. My throttle that was in this Banshee, riding it, and my throttle was getting stuck. I pushed it forward and I went to yank it back going up the hill, and my throttle literally snapped, and I had to take the throttle off my other Banshee and put it on here. There's so many razors at the top of every dune right now. It's crucial, and they're so rutted out, as you can tell. Can't see the shadow. It's so sketch when you hit the shadows. Horn got stuck. Yep. Josie has a flat tire, so we're mopping over to Vendors Row to see if maybe they have tubes. Bro, my hand is so sore from yesterday. Both my hands. I got such bad blisters. Oh my god. And it's so rutted out because of the razors too. That's the one with the parts.
Let's line up.
Let's go on that side so we don't get blasted with dirt every time.
All right.
One of my taillights went out, one of my headlights went out. Banshee's falling apart out here, man. We're about to run it with Juan. I was pulling them on the end though. Wow, dude, this is so sick right now. Dude. It looks so sick out here. Look at all the camp in the background, bro. There's so many people out here. Look at all this, dude. All those headlights. Again? aluminum radiators poking through.
Yeah. This is that new Banshee right here, you know what I'm saying?
I see it. We're on day 3 out here. Yep! Dude. I don't even know if I could ride another day out here. My ass is raw from my seat. Look at all these fireworks from last night. Holy, it was a party out here last night. Well, boys, we out. We're sitting in line to get out of here now. Posted. How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Best experience.
Banshees held up.
Surprising.
Minor difficulty.
Right at the end, though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Juan's chain popped off at the end, and then in the beginning my throttle broke. That's the only issues we had. And now we're battling these motherfuckers to get out. Basically go pop his tires so we can pass them.
That's what I was just thinking.
Yeah.